You know what's funny? Every Temu FREE Gift video shows the exact same moment. The reward appears, the button says claim, everyone gets excited, and then the video ends. But I kept wondering, what actually happens after you press claim? Because that's the part nobody ever shows. So I tested it myself. And honestly, what happened next surprised me more than the reward itself. The first time I tried it, I wasn't even using the right setup. Random code, normal browsing, basic offers. And when I pressed claim, almost nothing interesting happened. That's when I realized something. The claim button isn't really the important part. What happens before you reach it is. So I started over. This time I activated the code on screen first, before browsing, before shopping, before touching anything else. And suddenly the entire experience changed. The app started showing bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and stronger free gift progress than before. Now, when I finally reached the claim screen, it actually felt like I had unlocked something worth claiming, not just another random pop-up. And that's the part most people completely miss. They focus on the button, but the real difference comes from the reward system that's activated before the button ever appears. Because after I used the code on screen, the offers kept stacking. The discounts got stronger, the rewards became more valuable, and the free gift section started feeling like part of a larger reward flow instead of a one-time event. I even compared it against random codes later. And honestly, the difference was obvious. Less rewards, smaller coupon offers, way less progress. That's why I stopped chasing random working methods. The code on screen was the first one that consistently made the rewards feel bigger before I even got to the claim stage. Now let's keep this real. Does pressing claim instantly guarantee huge rewards? No. Can experiences still vary between accounts? Definitely. But after testing multiple methods, I realized the best rewards usually come from activating the right code before you ever reach the claim button.